Hi my beauties, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. If you're new here, I'm Polumi. I make videos on beauty products, skincare, lifestyle and on fashion. So please take a moment to subscribe on my channel and do hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you are notified. Today I have for you a quick skincare routine which you can use on every alternate day, that is the banana face mask. The ingredients which you need for making the banana face mask is the banana, rose water, milk and honey. The more ripened the banana is, it is more beneficial for your skin. Because banana produces collagen which helps from anti-wrinkles on your skin. I used Chandu honey. If you want, you can use any other brands of honey. I used Amul Taza. If you want, you can use any other brands of milk. Then I used rose water, which is from Dabur. I prefer to use rose water from Dabur. If you want, you can use any other brands of rose water. You can smash the banana with a fork. If you want, you can use your fingers. I prefer to use my fingers to smash the bananas. Mix rose water, make it a smooth fine paste. Then add milk to it and smash it more properly so that there are no solid products left over on the bowl. Lastly, you need to add the honey and smash it up properly, mix it up properly. As I told you in my last videos that before applying any marks or before applying any makeup, you should first clear your face with a wet towel first. So I'm just clearing my face with a wet towel, and the wet towel I use is the Guinea product. So here the mixture is ready. Now I will be applying it on my face. Avoid it from your eyes. Apply it properly. I'm applying with my hand, with my fingers. If you want, you can use a brush. I prefer to use it with my hand. Take a good portion of the banana and just apply it properly. And whenever you are applying any marks on your face, do make it a point, or whenever you are doing any makeup on your face, do make it a point that you will apply a good amount on your neck too, because otherwise you can see a slightest change on your face but not on your neck. The skin tone of your face and neck will be changed if you don't apply the same products on your neck, whatever you are applying on your face. And why do we use banana face mask? Because banana helps to reduce wrinkles and more acne scars on our face. Now, after applying this banana face masks, you need to wait for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, wash off your face with cold water. As you can see, I have washed my face. I partially dried up under a fan. I've taken a white towel. I'm just dapping a bit. Do not rub it, just dap it. also, here you can see how my face is glowing from earlier. Now, after applying any marks, make it a point that you have to use a moisturizer. I use the Body Shop Tea Tree Moisturizer Lotion, and I found it to be very light and the best summer product. I take a bit. This much is enough for my skin. This much portion is enough for my face. I will just apply it here. My procedure is almost complete. If you have dark circle, do make it a point that do always use the eye cream. I prefer the Garden Essence. Night Gel Eye Cream. The Garden Essence eye cream has one for night and one for daytime. So according to the time you are applying the marks, and while applying the eye cream, you just need to dab it. Do not rub it. Do not rub it, just dab a bit. And you can see the changes on my skin. More such videos are coming.